Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to insert a line in Word using keyboard shortcuts. To insert a line in Word, you can do the following. To get a horizontal line, type 3 hyphens, then press Enter. To create a double line, type the equal sign 3 times and press Enter. To make a broken dotted line, type the asterisk 3 times, hit Enter. For a bold line, type the Shift and hyphen keys 3 times and press Enter. To insert a squiggly line, type the Shift and tilde keys, then hit the Enter. That's it. Very simple and very easy.
Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.